My name is Zuzana Obertova. I'm an adjunct lecturer at the Center for Forensic Anthropology at the University of Western Australia. I am here in Italy at this wonderful site of Lazzaretto Nuovo, which is a common grave for many people who died during the times of plague. And this situation was in the past, but we now can learn very much about it today as well. We had our pandemics, and we also have other disasters that are affecting many people. I used to work in Italy before, and I was working with Professor Cristina Cattaneo at the University of Milan, where our main task was to identify the deceased migrants in the Mediterranean Sea. And the situation with the migrants was partly very similar with the remains that we have here, that they were on a journey, they were away from their families were divided, and we tried to give them their names back. And here at Lazzaretto Nuovo we might not give the people their names back, but we might learn about their situation, about who they were, in a way of where they came from, maybe, or were they healthy, were they suffering from maybe some diseases, or had they fractures, and this may also get us thinking about what their occupation was, for example. And in this way we get to know them a bit better, we get to know them about their journey, and we can also learn for the future. We can learn about situations like pandemics or mass situations where people were suffering, when they were dying, and how they experienced this situation, or at which point in life and it was that they encountered this situation. And we have also families maybe who again were buried together as well. So we can basically see the life at that time through their remains, which is hopefully giving them also a voice, as we hoped for to do that with the deceased migrants in Milan. And it's the same here at Lazzaretto Nuovo. Even if that was a long time ago, we still can learn from their lives now.